Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, food adventurers, to the delicious world of Dominican cooking. It's a cuisine bursting with incredible flavors, deeply rooted in family traditions, and a beautiful blend of Taino, African, and Spanish influences. We're talking about hearty, soulful dishes that truly warm your spirit, bringing people together with every bite. Get ready to embark on a truly flavorful journey right from your own kitchen. Dominican cooking relies on a fantastic foundation of fresh, simple ingredients. You'll quickly notice the frequent use of aromatic vegetables, things like bell peppers, red onions, and plenty of fresh garlic, which create a powerful base. Then, key spices like oregano, cumin, and that classic sazon complete the vibrant flavor profile. These elements really bring out the soul of each dish. Now, let's talk about the true secret weapon in Dominican cooking, sofrito. This incredible aromatic blend is essentially the flavor base for almost every savory dish you'll make. It's typically a vibrant mix of bell peppers, onions, garlic, and fresh herbs. Preparing your own fresh sofrito truly sets the stage, building a deep, rich foundation for all your delicious culinary creations. To truly capture the essence of Dominican food, a few simple cooking techniques are key. First, don't shy away from browning your meats well. This develops incredible depth and color. Then, slow simmering is absolutely crucial. This gentle, unhurried process allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen over time, creating that signature rich, comforting taste we all love so much. So, are you ready to start your own Dominican culinary adventure? I encourage you to begin with some of the most beloved and accessible recipes, perhaps a comforting arroz con palo, or some crispy fried plantains known as tostones. The most important thing is to have fun, experiment with flavors, and truly enjoy sharing these delicious, heartwarming meals with your friends and family. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.